To make a delicious Thai red curry chicken, we need coconut milk, Thai basil, and a tasty red curry paste. I show you the special cooking technique to obtain intense flavors and a creamy texture. Cut 3 thighs and a chicken breast into 1.5 cm thick pieces. Use the bones to make the broth. Cut them to release all their flavor. Put them in a small saucepan. Add 50 centiliters of water and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cook over medium heat. When the foam appears, remove it. Put a lid. Let simmer over low heat for 15 minutes. Cut 150 grams of bamboo shoots into thin slices. Boil them for 10 minutes. Drain them. The broth simmered for 15 minutes. Filter it. Use 100 grams of homemade red curry paste. If you use the one from the store, 1 tablespoon is enough because it is spicy. Separate the coconut milk into thick parts and clear parts. The thick part is called in Thai Hua Kathi. It means the head of the coconut milk. Cut the vegetables into chunks. 1/3 of the red bell pepper. Three Thai eggplants. 150 grams of green beans. Detach 25 grams of Thai basil from their stem. This basil has lightly anisey taste and lemongrass flavor. Prepare 10 grams of palm sugar. Tear 3 kaffir lime leaves. Everything is ready. We can start cooking. In a saucepan heated over medium heat, put the head of the coconut milk and the red curry paste. Occasionally stir for about 10 minutes. This cooking step is the key to succeed the dish. It is crucial to wait until the red oil appears, as it signals that the aromas and flavors has been fully released. Here is the red oil. Add the palm sugar and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Stir for 2 minutes. Add the chicken and the kaffir lime leaves. Mix for 1 minute. Pour 30 centiliters of broth and the clear parts of the coconut milk. Mix and simmer for 3 minutes. If you want more liquid curry, add the remaining broth. Put the green beans and the bamboo shoots. Mix and let simmer for 2 minutes. Put the Thai eggplants. Leave for 3 minutes. Finally, add the pepper and Thai basil. Stir and leave for 2 minutes. enjoy the red curry chicken with jasmine rice. Bon appétit!
Merci.
Here is the best way to enjoy this dish. We take a spoonful of curry, pour it over a mouthful of rice, and eat it immediately. This prevents the rice from absorbing all the sauce, so you can feel all the flavors and the creamy texture of the curry. Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.